Good afternoon. I want to make a quick video about how to create your presentation for this assignment. And I'm going to use PowerPoint. You can use any presentation tool, Google Slides, Prezi, whatever you want. I just use PowerPoint because so many people have used it, so they're familiar with it, and it's all built within this. So if you use Google Slides, you're going to probably have to use some tool like Loom or Screencast-O-Matic or something to record yourself presenting it. With PowerPoint, what I can do is I can just go up here to the top bar. I've already created this presentation. Go to record, and then just go to from beginning. Click this button at the top left. Then I've got this red button here that's going to start my recording. Now, this is a new feature, this little black box. I don't have my camera on, so I can turn it on. Okay, but I don't have it. On. And that's just a feature that PowerPoint has incorporated just to kind of keep up with other tools like Screencast-O-Matic and Screencast-O-Matic that offer that. Nonetheless, all I do is hit record, and you'll notice that it goes through a countdown, and then the number starts coming here. And you just talk over your slide, and when you get finished, you just click advance and go to the next one, and the counter starts over. And you just do this throughout your whole slide, advancing, or throughout your whole presentation, advancing, and talking over your presentation. When you get finished, you just click stop recording, and you can export it from here, and it'll save it right onto your desktop. And at that point, you'll need to upload it to YouTube. This is not going to save to my desktop because I'm recording over it with Screencastify to make this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to exit this. I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to just show you what it's going to do. So I'm going to go to Save As. And normally it would save as a PowerPoint. We're going to save it as an MPEG, an MPEG-4 video. MP4 video, and save it. And again, it won't save right now because I'm recording over it, but it would put it right here on my desktop, and it's going to take a little time for it to do that because this is a big file with audio and video. So don't be surprised if it takes some time. You have to be patient while it does that. Once it finishes and is saved on your desktop, you're going to go to YouTube. And you're just going to click on this little icon here, which appears on the YouTube homepage or wherever. This little icon will always be at the right-hand corner. And you just click on that, and you hit Upload Video. And then what you're going to do is just select the file, find the file on your desktop, and open it. And then it'll prompt you to upload it. And again, it'll take a couple of minutes for that to happen. Okay, once it is uploaded, you want to do a couple of things. First, you want to check and say, no, it's not made for kids. Then you need to come over here and you need to change that from private to public. Excuse me. From private to public. And then you need to save the changes that you've made. Once you've done those things and it's completely uploaded, just copy that link and paste it in to submit it. And that's all you have to do.